What's up, y'all? This Chris with Crazy-Hobbies. Alright, y'all, I'm back with another video. I got two of the DVX 15s right here. My camera might be leaning a little bit because my stand is broke. It's kind of flimsy. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this up. We did the 12-inch DVX 12s. This one right here is the 15. I'm gonna be doing a build on in a Drew Jones design. So let's get this thing open. Here, if I can find my blade. So got a couple videos dropping today. This is gonna be the first one. This is gonna be ran on a Jp63. So you know how you normally do it, a box in a box. Alright, I'm gonna tilt this camera down so y'all can kind of see it. This thing is looks way bigger than that damn 12. I mean, of course it would be bigger than the 12, but kind of check that magnet out on the back. These little subs. The two 12s I did on the 63, like I maxed that 63 out and could not get it to go in the clipping for nothing. On that setup that I had did. So this one right here is going to be going on a 63. I mean, you could probably get away with putting like an 83 on two of these. close up view. This thing is a beast. So he just came out. They ain't dropped yet, but it's gonna be. These right here are. These are 1700 watts RMS subs. He got some 2700 watt RMS subs that he's finna be releasing. You know, JP down for sound. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for this build. It's gonna be going in a 2009 Chevy Tahoe. The box gonna be built for I think it's 31 hertz. But check this out. If y'all need any audio equipment, especially down for sound stuff, I'm in the Memphis, Tennessee area. You can hit me up at 901-247-3841. Yep. But y'all stay tuned for more videos.